Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And that segues perfectly into really kind of the main talking point. And so far, so good. Yeah, kind of a buzzkill after the nice bounce yesterday. The price did roll back over. But as I talked about in the video from Thursday, you know, $7.50, again, that green line is a very important level. And like I said, so far the price is maintaining above it, and that's what you want to see. Why is that such an important level in the case you did not see the video from Thursday? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's just say that the price were to, you know, continue on down and separate to the downside of 750. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back in this lower portion of the chart where it was before that nice bounce happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or genuine power or anything like that. Now, does that mean the entire chart is destroyed? I'm not saying that. I am just talking about in reference to the very nice bounce that occurred, you know, when the price was down there and then ultimately went all the way back up there. You know, that's what I'm referring to. So if the price cannot hold above 750, then yeah, that would literally be putting kind of the chart right back to where it began, you know, before the price bounced upwards. But again, just to reiterate, so far so good. The price is maintaining around 750. And that is definitely what you want to see. The other level that's certainly been confirmed as an area of resistance, which I talked about some in the video from Thursday, is this purple line up here with the 50-period moving average. You can see this morning, price was flirting around with it quite a bit. Actually, at one point, you know, got a break above it, but that didn't last very long. And now the price is back down below it, you know, so that's still going to be an overarching area of resistance. So on Monday or Tuesday of next week, you know, if the price does start to get a bounce and head upwards, that's certainly going to be the key battleground to keep an eye on. Is again that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, if the price does start to drop below 750, I do want to map out the next overarching level of support, and that would be down here at $7.30. Or if you take a quick trip down memory lane here, you can see on a couple different occasions when the price was down around that area, it has done a good job of holding support. So yeah, if 750 cannot hold and it gets a higher volume push to the downside, it would not be shocking at all to see the price go back down to 730. But like I said, so far it is maintaining 750, and we'll see if the bulls can continue that or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.